When we talk of independence of the country and we consider three names, Mahatma Gandhi, Nehru and Sardar Patel, let me tell you that Sardar Patel stands much taller than the other two. While Gandhi and Nehru, they spoke with coaxing words. But Sardar Patel communicated with magisterial silence. His words were so powerful, people listened to him and they would do whatever he would say. Gandhi and Nehru, they wrote for Maoists. They wanted their name. They wanted memoirs for history. Patel believed only creating history. He was not writing anything. He said, I would do something which historians will write. And he lived up to his name. Gandhi was more concerned with his image, and so was Nehru. How people perceive them as leaders, but not Sardar Patel. Sardar Patel had a nimbler sense of self because he felt that his only satisfaction should be from the good work that he does. He was not interested to write, unlike the other two. For Sardar, writing was no big deal. It was only work. So that's why the greatest Karam Yogi that we have in this country was Sardar Patel. He would not even remember what good work he has done, what good work he does for the party, for the country. After doing the work, he erased from his memory. He did not get books written like What After Nehru and others. No, he was not interested in that. He was only interested in work and his mission, and he stood for it. He did everything. His daughter Maniben recalled, Sardar was a man of few words. This is what she said. He wrote very little, hardly kept any record of his public and party work that he would do. Once K. Gopalaswamy, who was the political editor of Times of India, he came to meet Sardar Patel at his residence at Marine Drive. So the reference came to the letter which Sardar Patel had received from C. Rajagopalachari, and he wanted to go through it as they were discussing the same point. But he had forgotten that he tore the letter and threw it in the waste paper basket. It was his daughter Maniben who went, and she somehow managed to pick up the pieces and put them together so that Sardar Patel could just discuss the matter with Gopalaswamy. So this was Sardar Patel, who would not like to keep any record of good things that he did or that he was doing for the country, because he said that we should only do our duty to the best of our ability without accepting anything in return, not even recognition.